Wow, where am I? Welcome, traveler. You found the magic forest. What is this door? A door to adventure. Hi, are you lost? Yes, I think so. Hello, my name is Maya.
Hi, Maya. I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you both. Are you ready? Yes, let's go! Adventure awaits! This river is beautiful. Yes, and it's glowing. This river can talk.
Hello, travelers.
Did you hear that? Yes, the river spoke.
Can you help us?
Yes,
Where do you want to go?
we want to find the mountain path.
Go straight, then turn left. Go straight, then left.
I understand! Thank you.
You're welcome.
Kind words are magic. Wow, that tree is big. It's beautiful. It's alive.
Hello, little friends.
Hello. Nice to meet you. You are tall and strong.
Thank you.
Your leaves are green and bright.
Please climb.
Thank you for helping us. Goodbye.
Goodbye, friends.
Kind words grow strong roots. Did you hear that? Yes, someone is crying. Let's help. What's wrong? I lost my home. Don't worry.
It's okay. Thank you.
We will help you. Was your home near the river? Yes!
Let's go.
Mom! My baby!
We did it!
The bridge is broken.
We cannot cross.
Let's think.
Use the logs.
Good idea. Be careful. Go slow.
Okay.
You can do it.
Take my hand.
Thank you. Teamwork. We made it! Great job! Brave friends win.
It's dark.
I feel scared.
Stay close.
Look! A lantern! It shines! Take it. I feel better.
Me too.
Light brings hope.
Look at them!
They are kind.
Night, friends.
Good night. Good night.
Sleep well. What is that?
I'm scared.
Stay calm. Hello, friends.
Hello.
You're kind. Can you help us, please? Yes, I can.
Thank you. This is amazing! So fun! Hold tight!
Thank you. You're welcome.
Goodbye. This village is nice. People look happy. Let's say hello. Hello.
Good morning.
Nice to meet you.
Can you help?
Yes. It smells good. Let's play. Okay. Catch. Goodbye.
See you.
Thank you. My map is gone. Did you lose it? Let's look.
Did you see my map? No, sorry.
Thank you. I found it! Great! Well done!
We were here. Now go left.
Yes. Let's go! I'm ready. Adventure continues.
I will miss this place. Me too.
But memories stay.
Your journey is complete.
Thank you.
We learned a lot.
I will miss you.
I will miss you too.
Friends forever. Goodbye.
Thank you. Safe travels.
We are home.
That was amazing.
Let's learn more English. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye-bye.